Seeing the finished spaces are really exciting. You go from a big blank room to a room with all sorts of fun branding, flexible seating, and in some spaces celebrating culture. My name is Mike P. Reeder, president here at Reeder Precision Solutions. So Reeder Precision is a contract manufacturer of precision machine components for mission-critical industries. We're here in Elkhorn, working out of a 130,000 square foot building and about 130 team members. We decided to enhance the space because when we moved out of our building from the early 2000s that had early 2000s era branding and not a lot of it, we had the opportunity to start with a clean slate when we renovated this new space. Working with the Palmer Hamilton team was a really great experience. We had opportunities to meet with them at their facility, tour their showroom, touch and feel some of these different elements that we are incorporating into the spaces here. We were also able to work a lot with them on site as some of these things became alive, started getting implemented. The space is a great reminder of celebrating again who we are and why what we do here matters in the world. We've got our mission, vision, and values board that looks out over our manufacturing area. It's really just puts a smile on your face to be able to celebrate all the fun things that have led to where we are today.